Rasky the Mighty for the microphone. Take it.
Oh, this question don't finish.
Life's not on my tongue. Life's not on my tongue. Life's not on my tongue.
Oga na waiting. You want such a fuel finish? My country people, now so they survive for this country this time around. This country, why not easy? With the drive now from reserve to reserve. From the reserve when they inside the tank, once the reserve when they inside the tank finish, we'll carry this one and take pour inside. As we pour now, we'll come drive, go police station, go buy fuel. And what did they do worry me for this police station? Be say they said fuel now 900 naira. Now they say, but if you carry 1 liter of 1 liter of jerrycan, go to police station, go buy wetin go full na 1,500 naira. I beg this country don't tire also. You only go free airport for this country. In fact, my country people, the question why they ask me say, when will Nigeria be industrialized? When will Nigeria be industrialized? And who will go free industrialize this country? Come 2027, who will go free industrialize this country? Who go free make this country where? Who go free make this country better? Because not be like this what this country will do. You are not type of this country, not be like this what this country will do. If you know, go to our comment section, comment, like and share, and we shall like you. Thank you very much. My name is remains AKC Comedy from Nigeria Africa TV. Thank you.